Hello fishermen! On this channel I show fishing in Russia and what I do. I'm talking about Russia in general. Today I will show you a Ural motorcycle that I assembled myself. Maximum speed 1 to 5 km. In miles 78. Valve adjustment every 500 kilometers. Don't feel the heavy metal. It's very cool to rock out to this kind of music. By the way, in Russia the roads are like a mirror. It's not entirely private, very no roads here. Sorry for my English. By the way, this is the state of Orenburg and we are in the city of Orenburg. Gas is produced here and this is not a poor city. If you want to know more about Orenburg, write in the comments. Let's continue talking about the Ural motorcycle. By the way, the motorcycle only has 4 short gears. It's must by law have a side trailer on it, but I decided will let. Custom motorcycles are banned in Russia. Custom motorcycles can be ridden by those who have money or connections. In Russia it is very rare to see a custom Ural. Very are a lot of Harley Davidson in Russia. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos about Russia, subscribe.